Hello everybody, this is Tracy Markley, author of 9 books and the owner of Tracy's Personal Training, Pilates and Yoga Studio. I'm a certified biomechanics specialist, fitness specialist, fitness trainer, Pilates instructor, yoga instructor, educator in the industry. I've written a course on stroke recovery and exercise for the fitness industry. I wanted to share my 4 books on stroke recovery in one video, kind of quickly if I can. Okay, I have, my very first book was a book based on a personal journey of a stroke survivor I had and I, as a trainer, working together. He wanted a story shared really bad to help people. He said if his story just helped one person, then it's worth it. So this book is called Dear Stroke, You Suck, The Journey of a Fitness Trainer and Stroke Survivor. And it's an inspiring story. There's exercises showing him doing exercises. There's the chapter on anatomy. I like to educate. I say knowledge is powder. is power. And then about a year or so after that, I've got a lot of contacts from people reading this book and my second book I had, Tipping Towards Balance. People wanted to know more about more intense exercises and more about the program or how I train people. So I came with the book Stroke Recovery, What Now? When physical therapy ends but your recovery continues. At this time, I also was asked to write the Stroke Recovery and Exercise Program certification CEC course for the industry, fitness industry. So I have that out there too. So anyway, so Stroke Recovery Right Now and physical therapy ends and your recovery continues. And then I was asked if I can write a book just on arm recovery. So I did. Stroke Recovery, Regaining Arm Movement. And then quickly after this was done, I was asked, can you have one just on the leg and walking? Stroke Recovery, Leg Stability and Walking Gait. So both these books work well together with this book. All 3 of these books together will give you really good knowledge, exercises, explaining where muscles attach, what they do, why trying to get another muscle stronger will help and movement come back. Because a lot of times people just stay really isolated in a certain section of a movement they want back, but there's other muscles involved that maybe, arm something down here. You may need something back here activated to make your hand come back. So as I teach in the books, I have anatomy. I show different angles of movements. The leg book has it for the legs and hips. The arm book has it for the shoulders and hands. And I just hit my hammer, it shook. So I have the muscles of the hand. It shows you have muscles that help flex the hand, muscles that help extend the hand. And the extensors come all the way up through here. Your bicep muscle, 2-headed muscle. Your triceps, a 3-headed muscle. It means they attach at different places. They have 3 different spots. And then the 2 different spots. Anyway, the tricep muscle, one of the attachments is on the shoulder blade. The bicep muscle, one of the attaches is on the shoulder blade. So if you're trying to get your arm back and your triceps help extend your arm, the biceps help flex the arm. If you're trying to get these muscles back from some movements, you need to get your shoulder blades moving and the upper back and the rhomboids and the traps and your lat muscles for this movement. This lat muscle attaches all down your back and onto your hip bone. So you need your core strong to get your hips and pelvic stable. And then this muscle attaches at your arm bone, helps pull it down. So these books go over the different variations and things with the leg muscles and the arm muscles to help it make more sense to add the right exercises and movements in. So I know a lot of my customers and clients have all 4 books. I really hope to help you guys. This one will help encourage you and get you motivated, and the other ones will help put you back together and make sense of things. Of course, none of my stuff has all the answers, but there's a lot of strong knowledge in here based on facts and listening to neuroscientists talk, and then my 20 years of working with clients and the results with clients. So I hope to help you guys. www.tracymarkley.com and then Tracy L. Markley, author on Amazon. And have a great day.